So this is a really cool design. So when it starts, it actually almost goes immediately over the bridge, then down the Hot Wheels, and I mean hitting there first, then down by the plant. It's actually an air plant. Then by down the Hot Wheels. This is another trick that I learned actually just today.
Did you make that one up, or did you see a video with it or something?
I saw a video where they made like a domino structure where one falls, it pushes that. This isn't it, but it works at it. So it's so hair triggery right there. The way that the weight almost makes it fall, so it could fall any moment.
Mm-hmm.
So the idea is that when it falls on it, that one tips and knocks the next tiny place. It's actually like a digit right there, and then that suddenly lifts up the other one, and then it flips it up and then hits it another one of the digits.
Very cool.
So then I made a fail-safe pyramid. Actually, before I made the fail-safe pyramid, I put a spinner. This is still what I only did. So then we get past there. These are a couple splitters that I like. Another fail-safe ramp up. And then this is like I call this my bridge because it goes over blue dominoes. Those are actually our first wooden dominoes. So then this one knocks through a couple of switchers, and then this is another cool one. It goes like through I call this my bridge. I actually want it to be a suspension bridge. Then the blue wooden dominoes, those are new ones. Those are the first time I've shown you these in this rally. So they are the same, they're just made out of wood and a lot more colorful, and because they have like purple, if you look over there are actually rainbowed.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get over there soon. So this is a slider, and then it hits into this. This is my trick. We actually learned this last year, probably, I think. And then it just like, it hits that, and that one is how deep, and then it just like flips a little momentum, and then puts it into another digit. Then that is actually, it's gonna keep on going, and then that one just knocks over past. And then I did a switcher here. This one I made a turnout, and then this one, we're getting close to the wooden ones over there. So then this is a cool one. It's actually a fail-safe wall. Doesn't look like it's very fail-safe, but it is. This splitter, this one actually pulls a rope out, and then it's supposed to knock over as much as possible, but then this other one is delayed a little. It's actually supposed to, because this is the fail-safe one. And then it knocks over any one of these dominoes that it pushes forward can actually fall. Then it goes, now these are actually all the wooden ones.
That's every wooden one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So we used up all the woodens. We still have more I haven't got. Then this we're gonna talk about. So
Are you an excited guy to see this actually get knocked down?
So these space out the dominoes.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Can you hold that up so we can see it?
And then you like put it there and then slide it back. The dominoes will stay where you stop.
So it's a quick way to set up long rows of dominoes?
Yeah.
That's a
So,
good way
like,
to put the dominoes
it
up in a
does-
hurry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
16 dominoes. Each time I've actually never ever counted it.
Okay, we're gonna stop now for this video, so hold on.
So I'm really excited to see it. Oh, and then so this is the start. I'm gonna hold up a dinosaur.
Ooh. So it's kind of like a dino start?
Yeah, a dinosaur start, and I'll hold a dinosaur and watch it. And just in case it needs a little help, I use either that dinosaur or that one. Whichever one is on the hand with my mold.
Okay. What are we waiting for? Why don't we do it right now?
Because Mama needs to see.
Yeah, definitely. All right. Well, thank you for telling us all about it, Orion. This is one of your best domino rallies.
Dada?
Yeah.
Are we gonna put it together as one video?
We could, I
And
think.
and when we domino it, can we put it together as one?
Let's see if we could do it. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Is
Is this the whole domino rally? Are you about to start it?
everything.
All right. I'm getting ready.